Welcome to 7154 Ridgeline Circle, located less than a 10-minute drive from downtown Dexter and only 20 minutes from Ann Arbor. Sitting on a 1.1-acre lot, this 4-bed, 3.5-bath, 2-story home offers over 4,500 square feet of total livable space. A large attached 3-car garage sits on the south side of the house, and just around the corner, you'll find an east-facing brick paver patio. Set toward the back edge of the lot is a lovely outbuilding, perfect for storing all your outdoor toys and gardening tools. Great recreational opportunities are close at hand, with both Hudson Mills Metro Park and the Portage Chain of Lakes within a 5-minute drive of your front door. Join us while we tour this great home. Thanks for visiting 7154 Ridgeline Circle. The nearby city of Dexter has a lot to offer. There are some great restaurants doing exciting things every week, as well as the opportunity to enjoy professional musical theater performances at the Encore Theater Company. Beyond the arts, Dexter takes full advantage of its close proximity to some of the county's best parks and recreational areas. You'll find gorgeous Mill Creek Park on the northwest side of town, offering up great sunset views, and the all-new Border to Border Trail, which runs over 30 miles in total, connecting downtown directly to the Metro Park system through a series of lovely trails and boardwalks. If you have any questions regarding this listing or any other, please contact Rob Ewing at 734-216-5955 or visit ewingpros.com.